Here's how to fix Instagram if it's not working. Now, if you try to open up the Instagram app and maybe it's not working, maybe it's crashing on you, there's some kind of bug, you can't post to your story, reel, any of that stuff, I'll show you how to get it fixed. Now, the first and easiest thing you can do is if you have Instagram open here, all you have to do is swipe up and we're just going to close out of the Instagram app and then open it again. Sometimes just closing out of apps and opening them again fixes any kind of bug or glitch that might be in the app. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is check the internet connection and the servers for Instagram. So let's hop into a web browser and we're just going to type in speed test here. And once this loads, we're going to hit run speed test. Now you want to check to make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection. You can see I have 200 some megabytes per second. If you don't have a great internet connection, you might just want to switch from Wi-Fi over to cell data or vice versa. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to type in is Instagram down, because ultimately the app might not be working because the servers are down. So if I go into down detector here, you can see there were some spikes in reported outages. If this looks normal to you, everything's pretty flat, then most likely that's not the reason. But if you do see a sudden spike in reported outages, then likely that's the reason. You're just gonna have to wait until they get everything back up and running and fixed. It's usually within a few hours, everything's back up and running. Now, if you go through all these steps and Instagram still isn't working, the last thing you can do is hop out here and open up your settings. We're going to tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now, this is for your iPhone. If you have an Android, you're going to clear the cache, delete the app, and reinstall the Instagram app. I'm just going to find Instagram on here. There it is. And I'm just going to tap offload the app and reinstall it. The nice thing is that basically this force updates the app to the latest version, gets rid of any kind of bugs or glitches in it, and a lot of times going through this process, it fixes any issues with the Instagram app. After that, you should be able to open it up, use it as normal, and it should be working as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.